welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Cartier, and I know I've been absent for like a year. I've been in LPN school, which is nursing school. I actually graduated, so I'm a graduate graduate practical nurse, and I am now currently studying for my boards. So that's what I've been up to the past year, so I couldn't really record. Okay. But today, basically, this video is going to be a review on WIGGINS Hair, and it's their 30-inch 13x4 transparent lace 200 density wig, and it's straight. And I've had it for about a week. I just did it a couple days ago, and I've been wearing it here for 3 days total. Don't come from my eyes. Dipping and dabbing. There's some new products that I ordered, makeup products, so that's why I'm looking the way I'm looking right now. And don't be coming for my baby hairs, because I normally don't do baby hairs, but I was trying something different. So to this hair, this is 30 inches straight. It comes right to like my kuda. But this hair is really pretty. It's silky. The way I wrap it got a little wave right now, because the way I wrap my hair at night, I actually braided and put it up, so it might have a little wave, and I didn't straighten it yet, but it straightens fantastically. What I use to get like the little bone sleek stuff, I use this Garnier serum. It's not the green one that you see everybody with. It's like an orange bottle. It's really small and it's cute. It's like $5 at Target. I use that. I did the ball cap method. First time really taking my time and doing it. Okay. But I did it, and yeah, so if you guys want this hair, the link is in the description box. It is really silky. When I tell you, look at this. Baby. And I didn't even straighten it for like three days since I customized it. My hair, I'm sorry. But baby, this hair is beautiful and it's affordable. It was between, I don't know off the top, but it was between like $370 and $420. It wasn't no higher than $420, and it wasn't below $370. And they be having like discounts you can use. This hair came in literally 2 days. I told them, listen, I need this hair for my birthday. And it came literally 2 days later. This is my second time getting hair from WIGGINS Hair. The first time I had a 38-inch loose deep wave, and the shit was fire. And the reason why I didn't upload a video on it is because I was in nursing school. My hands was like tied with homework and everything, so that's why I didn't give you guys a video on that. But I still got it. I literally just took the shit off my head recently. And it lasts that long. Like, the hair lasts a long time. The link is in my description box, and I'm telling you, you guys gotta try this hair. Like, just let it speak for itself. Look at the silkiness. I didn't even like, I'm not even finished. Don't mind my baby hairs, y'all. I am not the baby hair type person. I don't know how to do it. I don't know what I'm doing with it, like nothing, but I tried. So cut me some slack. So like I said, this is WIGGINS Hair, 30 inches. It is very silky. It's 200 density, transparent lace. They're gonna give you the hair. So you wear it, you're gonna have that hair in literally like two to 3 days max. If you ordered that length. Like, my other hair took longer. It took like 2 weeks. Like, we can have, only because it was 38 inches and they had to customize it. Don't come for my nails, y'all. I gotta get them done. My birthday is Saturday. I'm getting them done Thursday. But look at that. Listen, that girl got engaged. That's a whole nother video. This is a whole nother video. Like, gotta put y'all on. Mad good things been happening in my favor, and I just want to thank the man above. And like, I'm very thankful. And I know my videos be like all over the place. I got ADHD and I can't sit still, so yeah. But let's see, I haven't received any tangling or shedding in this hair yet. Like I said, I haven't been wearing it like that. Only wore it for a few days, but ain't nothing coming up. Ain't nothing like this hair. And I guarantee, like, I put my hair in braids. It's the way that I wrap it, and then I put it up, so that's why I got like a little wave. But this shit is silk. This shit is silk. And then when you put your silk serum, it's silk, like legit silk. But that is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a little review. The link to this hair is in the description box. And this is WIGGINS Hair, again, 30 inches. You're gonna get it in 2 days. Transparent lace, 13x4. This hair is fire, literally. Like, and I know, just by my previous hair, I know. Like, order this hair. This hair is really good. You get, for it to be 13x4, you get a lot of parting space. And look at the lace. Like, it look like my, look like scalp. Like, stop playing. This is really good hair. So, like, come on. 30 inches? I think this is longer than 30 inches, honestly. But yeah, that's all for this video. I will be adding more videos. Basically, my LPN school journey. My life as a nursing student, when I was a nursing student a couple months ago. And this right here. I will have so many more videos. And I brought like a ton of makeup I would show y'all, but my room is looking. So I'm going to be doing some makeup looks for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. WIGGINS Hair, okay? Love you guys.